Hello, North Texas. This is Greg Flores. I'm the founder of Soul Solutions, and we've been in business for over 5 years now, and we have thousands of happy customers. Since we got started, we've aligned ourselves with the Don Young Company, and they make some great vinyl and aluminum windows and patio doors. And I'm proud to say, as of last year, we were accepted into the Pella Certified Contractor program, and now we offer wood and fiberglass windows in addition to our other products. We now have a window for any budget, and as an introductory offer to all new customers, we're offering 12 months same as cash. To take advantage of this offer, just visit our website at ntxsol.com and fill out the Get an Estimate box, and someone will get to you shortly, or you can reach us by phone at 469-708-8151. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you.